Sringa diski asiyama soccer analyst asiyama soccer analyst samahamsha wasekasi sringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
We have been defending for too long now. It's time to take the shots and score the goal. MI Legends Club.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Diski Supreme.
Morning, Chief. How are you, sir?
Morning, all the viewers of the Ringange Diski. My children were Tebatari, the Ringange Diski. I've shared in Quay. La Balantela go is Ringange Diski. Didn't bully Senonke, Balande the best Ringange Diski. Nimishawata in Quay.
Not the Chiefs. Hey, Kautar not or in Quemo. Get about straight to the point and hey, or Reno Cadiding it in your Yugo Bruce. First line up your high.
You club Tubari. As I was once a coach, I was once a player. His tactics were stupid, poor, out. Everybody, Limto starts being poor, Kim Sibang. Ulaka Ukena Young Polong, the sugar fella, so you defend. How do you bring in defenders? When are you going to go to get goals? Because the defenders have got a problem. They are scared to go front. They just want to keep defending. And the West, it's a World Cup. It's a different tournament altogether. So the approach that he came with is not happy.
Don't you think he was scared?
Because look at the team that we were playing. They produced more young boys. Age Mufukeng. The approach was poor and was out.
So definitely, you think who defender I go no blading
I mean, you can make a sub along the game, or but now we can defend. This sugar fella so defend.
Yeah. Or Skakorua too.
No, two simple goals.
And you know, our Shebila Costa these two red cards. Never costed to the game it land.
Not personally, I cannot stress because we've got 20-something players that we took with us. So, meaning each and everyone has got a replacement there. Understand? And again, it was risky to play this boy Zwane. Because Zwane is so fall holy. Somebody injured. And then Zwane by killing red Katia Pili. Leona, you look at the careless goal. Anna Mutom covering. Whether the post in Zwane like Hrepsa, but near Elia Romero. Goalkeeper Boletoka had Casa di Rupi. Check what.
And most of the people they were talking about are police.
Why Kenya late was for him to come in to introduce him. He changed the game, the boy. Then we started to be there. We started to be seen, but it was late because that's the sickness that the coaches are Zanti. They like giving the players for 7 minutes, 10 minutes. Yet the boy trains for 90 minutes.
So when who do you think was man of the match? Was South Africa?
Ntwane Kenning last year. Police.
Nakinana Mbogazi because he made sure he was buying him
to show Mbogazi unali mang utuswa kimang. You understand? So West Ube you're not the very same Mbogazi waruna. He had to shift himself a lot. Amakentwane neitanga uli kamo 7. He had to play there. Usadile uli
okay, I'm talking about now no like game handlante. Hana to the red cat Mbogazi
but with these two, not personally as a viewer or as a spectator or supporter Bafana Kibona Resala Helo. ke tsela e nngwe ya hore ba tswetsileng o kene batho ba right.
So you think game A now Bafana will make a change?
O re Themba Shabalala ke mo mametse the following day ya bua mo radio nga Jozi FM. Are it's not a ne tshwantse re win game ele pili ya Mexico. Because the two games those are still going to play. Nka tsela di thata o fita Mexico. That's what he said.
I saw the highlights tsa ona keng South Korea le keng Jizeng or keng ring group stage ya ona wa bona or no these players wanyiwa wa mathiwa yi.
Everybody wants to win there and everyone wants to prove himself. Ba bang ba dlalo rekiwa ka di club tse ding. Ba market Bafana. Understand? So Runa, my question is ke bile ka bua last report, why do you bank players like money? It's like they're going to give interest on that. Because
so now you just raised something interesting. You're saying the scouters, I get telling things to Shaba Bafana or ba perform jwang so ba tlogono ba tloga. So but now the problem is it you blaming the coach, not even Bafana because le bona Bafana ba whether or not that defender they needed to show off because the scouters didn't need to share correct chance ba perform jwang. That's why or maybe never to win.
I will not to man. What I will tell you about football, I wanna mole ki stage is right is Allah tlele ba fala do also guide instructions elo fitas kai. Again turn riba to qualify for World Cup. We have qualified. We are there. Now it's for the boys to do the job. Yeah. You give the boys a look, guys. This is where we wanted to be there. Then Bombokas our side market, but marketed already. Understand? And then ibe o amratang o mesang li peneta sa makiwa. Frost la or give frost or give mayana o. You understand? You ask yourself for your guy.
Yeah, so I wanna coming to that because you will have a coach, Mr. Mzarawa. I just wanna ask you this other question. Now, we will have a game or my coach. Uchela player or it's so then the players and go mamele at the opposite, but you end up winning.
Yeah. Dingata. Baka bashimani you can name team no putaka yona emo profiling picture. That team is trying to go to win about to progress. Yeah, the late slow pule, the show fire tabombeki. Those boys in Nan and Kabajutan take Bajutanyona, Baskai Mamel or Baskai Inca. Marakabu or Nababitane. Barama no malumunga panda sending into Laitu. At the end of the day, Ravena. And then coming back later, reviewer came, Bara when about to send the Sotina, South Kruma signs so that's why we need.
So don't you think or Bafana Gabentejua?
Only tell Saval Tamaliti. We're starting into as players. Kupula Naxajala. Although Brashix Mashaba Nasara Rubuka away, not know it's on. Ronana Juetabra Pro, the late Messi, so Piz Lubo Pilimandoza. Moshawer, Neribu Alibo Pule. Neribu were never foot, Rapo to Ticonto, Kirnar Dalang. Arisha so came a Kiaruna foot. And with our ideas and the communication, at the end of the day, Neruina came Casco say heavy. Carry ideas down already play. I saw the coach Ali Dalika order, you must do everything a coach. No, I say everything a coach. 13 kilo Nabazalang, Buisanang, Bonsanang.
Yeah, that's the one thing Bafana they needed to do that. Our Bamtawa Tamal because already Kishore after more resign.
I resign. What's a my
already sometimes you need to do this thing on your own. Polora, Mutua Vasca, no Choco, and Honore, Obanagarele, Helman, Keleke, Paul Boy.
Boy, man, never came out Shapu. I didn't say we never found a fan. I bonnet was at the guy, Dia High Bos, and also the Tamalina history alone. Yeah, Naramutibori, Night into the Arcana Guerra Sajala. Cosmos Mona Jala, at all pirates market thing at all. So why the NSI apply a DI as so? Bashman might say, I can't do it.
Yeah, in other fence, Ginegiba would read that other fence. They're saying something if I know right. You go proceed Santa movie Helman Kelele because Kelele too close and almost from Tolu Matalas Cabana next. I'm Mele Guahor Matala Honobona because first game allowed to lose you and just Daluti Fata Zanga.
I never babu coach like coach at Aruna. The coach at the part and lip plaque. I'm sorry, but I'll put it. I want a pizzo. Pizzo on the plaque. Rulan on the plaque. And why poor Rulan? So the coach has said, in the coach of an to Steve Castle. Kinto Giliota on a Caribuca. That's a Malatola certificate. Steve Kate has a Melalito no yet. The time was Alan was not Steve Kate. And the Polar Runelia Talocan certificate as a.
So it's what you would.
That's it, boss. We take it from there. Theory limaritse disk ya rona. Thola Tiza is a good teacher. Ramtsiba rona ya shena excel ka maths. But just because o badile haholo ayo kenela coach. Tse ding di ba sebeletsa ba bangai a kopanye theory le kelelo ya hae.
So anything that you wanna say on this coming game AR18?
Ke ba mabani na ba kwetse di gate ba kwaletse di journalists to discuss because we want to be updated re ka iro tsala. So aba kwala di gate re tlo tseba jang re le metsi mangwe tsala ine. So what I'm saying now, I won't say much, but what I'll say, the Tabaka Sivenda, Red Door in the Mbiti Robona Mavala. Yeah, Tarki Pizza Ceremony.
But the pizza that you wanna come about.
That's it.
Yes,
Yeah. Yeah.
So, how did the journalists they were saying where from Karago, US?
Karago, US, because when that boy about interview or update or with Alankako, we were illustrated. All the journalists never were kids. I
get there's too much conflict. This other journalist in France, Baribila with a Hugo Prusso Rao. Ska lose it so na ke ona piano and shushine everything utlothala yona so ka bona go tshoro no ana bua ka piano shushine na re utlotladisa masandawana. That's what I thought.
You know, and the mentality tsantse re qete as Mzansi South Africans.
Yeah.
Stop this thing of saying bafana ki pirates the Sundowns. Yeah. If your players in your own teams they don't perform, what must the coach do? Mola Risheburu Zala Tape Finguru Tang. Rishebori throughout the season with Tang.
Yeah, true.
When they in. You check the Pirates players Bafana Banyaniwa, Mufuking that's into the attack. You can't leave him out of Fana fan. A police never must see a country. You understand? You clear Kenya Adam, City walk about Sundown to Naka wanted into a or with
and about police Mufuking get people boring. And like scheme ser ke ninga sona ser qualifying ka sona ke sona se no tshwantse se be da
why sa qala ka sona
I get
coming to the substitutes qala ka bozwane kwa why sa qala ka ntwana tse tsa hae. You understand? Bozwane ba deserve the last 10-15 minutes why deserve I ela yentseng ka Kenya ntwana di suka fela sheba mfanole just fell. I mean the game is physical. And Zwane if for real South Africa ne latela into like other countries. Never get a red card one, by maybe yellow card. But Runa, we are too soft. The technical team here, Runa, kids monkey man with Alain. Var Costa, Rijuata benching, Rijuata flee. So, what's the use of all? The only way South Africa be sharp. I want said the yellow team by inside. But Travancha, but Sivankapon.
So, I want to plus coming to that Neki put a Koja or Agas Shady talented giraffe. That's what I like now on the coming game. I got Kenya scheme series of Vela Saruinisa ruin. Then on the other game, it lang Eva Hutala Pego goes Kimi Selesa. Caditales giraffe and I go pirates.
Somewhere, somehow, that old man now uses a giraffe what to do, carry players eating. Oh, Wamanam Fuking, not that was some minutes on the bench. But after you go Brisela, raise a voice, come Fuking. If you have noticed, as long as I Peter do the benching for no. Natala all the way. You understand? Boa police, Navatala all the way. You understand? Why the main man there, the coach is saying why national team. Because not to work of Spanisa, although have a Spanisa.
Yeah, and a Kutulan Tanaka, Mukimi, the scouter, Nedilite in the Rito when I'm footing. But what happened?
I said that the coach will put you there. The coach will bring you here. We put a roommate in Kantasa Fanoli. And they can only show if you come in phone or Montepilla in the book. She was stadium said support the young. They sit late. Even the
coach, I made see. He was saying, gave a fit to one of the fucking.
Everyone wants to see him live. And so the way that this coach are not letting down, Kisapita, Nakimuto Zulang. Our Mamela Baboka and Naka Petina Kilinka, the defender. This Suga fella. Second leg.
So don't you think or Katie or a neighbor Luna, Mr. Cupcake Maposa, Hamutinto Rebaba can do it.
bo gate ne ba kenetse ja nyoko la, and I've told you kazwa ke dikipa tsa Bafana yo ntse tsibang when no tshwantse una le di coach ane di hitwa hard ke di minister of sports before na ba bua di minister of sports a pilo ra a molo re costile re qetile mara ona mtate wa samjitsi you understand so ina le ka skin ya spana disc ke yo modi o mesang di penalty tsa makiwa ba tlo jotso ro ba no dlala overseas o tsibio Froster wa Costa le
ene le ka ya overseas da rubula ke bench
o shebe o tla mo gutlisa hape if you don't ka mo gutlisa ke motho aya
na ha be itlo ba jwalo in closing I don't think I'll check Bafana ka game ya B3
after we have lost our first game like I've told you more if you can replay that clip I don't see Bafana winning I've sensed this I've seen this coming you understand so like I'm saying akadi sheba tse after a adiketo za mara ke utlile Themba are bekufuze sizilele eMexico la kula bayi2 kuzobanzima because one laba balova into ezincane uzisa phela usidlalise pension angaziniki game the only way if player ibathi ikhiwele ikene bayirahe ilimale then ubele kanhlo kenye umuntu omatlanga
true that let's close it Tamtan anything that you want to say Mr. Mzerowa
to our supporters all South Africans are willing to Bafana ki Sundowns the Pirates let them go and see to that their teams perform for their players to be elected to come and play for Bafana. You don't just go there because of an emblem of a jersey. No, your work rate will take you there.
Thank you, Chief.
You're welcome.
Galobo. Then when we cut to this, let's just listen to our one of our fans, Arsha, commenting on FIFA. Then we go straight to G. Bless.
Sure, Brakir. No, man. No, I think, nice one. But I hold a different view about this thing, Safa. For starters, Odeni Jordan, I'm also of the view that he needs to go. He has overstayed his welcome. That's number one. But number two, Hotman, we have a serious problem. In this country, there's what we call constitutional prescripts. Safa ena le constitution mara e tlamehile e tšhintšhwe conferenceng ya bona ya gore o qualify for presidency tlamehile o le member ya any LFA local football association. Most of us in South Africa batla bona Lucas Radebe le ena president ya Safa. But the difficult question or a pertinent question that we need to ask ourselves, does Lucas anywhere in local structures does Lucas anywhere on issues of development of sport now, that's the question that we ought to ask ourselves, because I believe it's very, very imperative. I don't know what to say again, but that's my 2 cents worth of advice. But we also see other programs like grassroots development. Is Lucas part of those now? I think we need to ask ourselves those pertinent questions. Or now Lucas contribute jwang? Do we see Lucas in tournaments? Do we see Lucas doing coaching clinics? There are many things that we need to ask ourselves about Lucas. But he's one of our own. He's our legend. We love him, we appreciate him, but he needs to pull up his socks now. We need to start seeing him. He needs to be visible, Lucas, because what's the use of support Lucas, but he's not assisting the very same cause. Thank you, my brother.
Hola bafethu, shapu kanjani? This is G General bafethu yena yethu number 10 yena isikhwama wayebamba wayiyeka wayiphusha wayiyeka uye nje kuphela bafethu namaza ngisho General sekafikile sekuyile ndawo seringa ngediski bafethu adithoma litswetswe kitaba yele at the World Cup bafethu.
Ma chene man. Yeah, today vele skatse ro kwala one by one kaufela nje. The question is this. The line up ya Hugo we bone jwang wena mfethu?
Ya bona line up letse se ke bona se ba shapa setup but ke bona ga 5 defenders ka bona ga mo aowa asindawo. How can we defend in fact game isa qala re ka first game se re qala ka defense ya le teng ka 5 defenders re defender yeng World Cup sa lona qala a tshwantse re lwane le re thole bo ma 3 points re push re ye pele rona re qala ka defense ke ngantlantle re defender ona da ke question santane ke ipotsa ena le Vandag.
Don't you think or coach rona na tswile?
Ya fele na vele na shapa ke stage fright fele a san ke first game and over se dlala le bigger team a team e re tsebang go vele ya pusha vele ai ne don't
mara o qala for is bigger team and ke first game mara defender and it's a ke re ka checka ke the biggest match like this opening bar e shapile le ke China or go ka etsa di Olympic it was the biggest opening in the world.
Yeah, it was.
And raya ka lose.
And it was not supposed to even be a lose game. Elantle by onset ne tshwanetse re dlale ka attack. Ha ke tlo sheka or ke bua ka attack. I can understand why Foster deserved a first lineup at first. Antlante if you can check a second half about talking Antone a police. Ne tshwanetse go a police le Makgopa. Ba qale game. A police o gona o etsang o gona o collect Makgopa o gona o itshwara. Le tshwanetse ke bele ga thekile ga etsang ga bola di gasha ga gona ga se re kenya ba le ba gona re tlo settle for game be re tsebo ga lead. Yeah, for no re tlo checka to la leng le Search Republic re under pressure. Ke ntse re lwang re etsa each and every tournament re kopanang le tsona re lwa re le under pressure. Re wila ga na last if you remember. We will always be under pressure if we don't consider winning the first game.
So to train us
and then we depend on other teams who they win repeat.
So definitely this thing vele ke ona the thing ene ke botale chief for don't you think or Hugo Bruce tla etsa di nya coach ya Pirates or on the second match a kenye scheme so re Rasebas ruine then on the third match a khutele back ko di ya hae.
Only him knows at this present moment ka ofela re shocked a re tsebe re metso ke this coming game etlang na mean fear because whatever the performance he gave us on that first game it wasn't giving.
Don't you think or o ga etsa halo or a etse a winning say because maybe now most of bat ba bangata ne ba bua lena because of this thing you lose?
Yeah, most probably only if Umamete because believe in me he must know definitely right it's yena with the country. He better stick to the part that ke spanela country ke spaneleng. It's not about his fame or his king his ability na go re yena ona le yona tshwanta tenke velo ga phela no phela ba fetho re dlala World Cup re dlala tournament. He must definitely make it up a point this time re kenya scheme se re hloka bo mfokeng ga ba hloka ka ground or ba khona o shugumisa ka daka hare.
I know maybe Maphosa or bo 18 bile ba mkaya call or mfethu go etsang because everyone is surprised.
Yeah, yena definitely tshwanta ba mkaya velo call ba mo remind ba mo hopotse re mthwa mdimpela o tsebe no re sheba le ntho tse gota ga shebana le ntho tse nya.
And after World Cup wa baya.
Yeah, it's right.
So go tsore motho a ka reno a rata
this is like I'm sorry to say this but it seems like a drug transaction if you understand my point like a drug transaction ke ntse re ke etsa fela wa tshwana anyway my time is shy so why not.
And then ke botsa le ka this other thing or do we blame him only? Why don't we blame players? Because the player had one around Kiyomucho or defend. So we can change the game and play the way Ronarabatlangate.
Well, honestly, a game can the players a coach. Coach only gives us instructions to perform, right? It's up to us as players so but as players we are failing ourselves. We are supposed to go there 100%, 101% to give it all out and say, "Bafet, more we are doing this for our country."
Yeah, because most of the players, the scouters can anything. So on anyone not more.
I doubt. Outstanding. Yeah, now he gave out Lena, but he was outstanding. Lena will take his seat somehow. He might not take 4 seasons going forward from Moti Malingoyon. He might be picked up somewhere else. Like he was excellent.
Because ke bone la no kena o bone ha o no kena police hore kana sa go no tseba ka di pass ke the same thing o tshong gore this thing if ine etse ka first half definitely never
relaxed no re tseba gore no se re shabanleng draw or win not lose ra tseba re safe side
no sereleng
se
re na le 2 players so re di tloba off
red card unnecessary le teng
and ke defender ne
ke Zwane le was it Stole? Yeah, Stole. Les one.
So definitely ku tsho ba tlomeswa ke game.
Yeah, litlo feta game out.
And no ya re khawa tse ke mathatang a coach. Nane ke nane e bilane le o rona ke re yo le na ke man service ne na no re.
One is still necessarily dangerous.
Yeah, not definitely because everyone he was saying I was shocked and ke check at least this beside all.
Sure.
But the first red card next I won and next na no ba ke ile mboga se ke re ane tshotse ke mboga za no fedile da.
Le ena Sibisi na active ne ba mdlalisetsa on that game. Yeah. Now I believe on the 20 as I was saying on the last episode. Mboga zile kabini. Yeah. Combination ya batho ba le ga need. Yeah. Ne ba tshwantse ba dlalise batho ba le 2 hantle. Re bone go etsa because they can distribute, they can communicate, they can give us something alluring from the young players. Sibisa Karius experience he does have, he can guide wherever he can. But on that game, Mexico, Nasa deserve to first lineup.
So didn't Nana Harry Foster, the winner.
Yeah. I'll tell you completely from the onset. Santan Hubitua, Ushakura Kola Pelea. 32 squad and whatnot, the preliminary squad and whatnot. I trying to the game. And I'm still complaining today. Mahopa can do better.
William and Harry, no? Because the number came in and go to take William.
If you can check our map, Williams was not steady. Not to William, no one allow map. Before the game started, he was shaking. I want to let one extra round the game go. I was like, let me show you Williams. Already, this is a lose. I switch her on. He's scared. No more.
So, most of the players they didn't expect. Maybe let's say most of Baba the first time
most of them it's first time.
Yeah. So I think regardless of what defender never too wheel because usually first time stadium must get something or also go born and the biggest stadium is not a game here. Pirates and Chiefs or Sundowns and Chiefs. Like you see what I know was packed and there's too much noise.
Yeah, it does happen if you get to play something big. It's big in now continental after all. So there are those balloon ring. The crowd are by Tloela. Babo no Rabona no Sereshabane li fat Santanta, Rashabana li just in a province. So obvious Babang Babo never never too wheelie, they never panica, they ask themselves questions. There are those I know, by the research ka Mexico, they know Mexico is one of the biggest teams, Cite Lorelitona Vela Copanantona.
Yeah, and Le Mexico it was on war because usually it remembers Corona first goal so they were the way like unprepared to Nana. This time we need to show. Yeah. So I don't have any questions. Do you want to add something via this coming game?
On this coming game, we just want to give them a benefit of a doubt. Nothing much, though we are under pressure and we are disappointed about our first game, our lineup, but oh well, it is what it is. It happened. It's now in the past. We are looking forward to this coming game, believing Coach Utarakas can say better. We are not about to defend now. We are about to attack, so we can be able to be on the safe side.
We're looking for a win.
Yeah, this is our last game, because if we are winning, then
you won't wake up at 3 a.m. and check the
I will
last
never
one.
even bother myself. Anyway, I was watching Kenya Spain yesterday. I was impressed. There's this team in Spain in Cabo Verde. It's new, but it was giving all out. It was trying to prove a point to Reba Fetu. We may be new.
South Africa.
Yeah, we had. Yeah. But look
Ka
at it
scheme se
Sele sa rona se.
se re qualifying.
Sure. So look at this team now playing against the bigger team. Though the bigger team, I say refer that analysis bo ke bo mambo Iniesta, bo Fabregas, you understand? But there are those you can pick. There's number 7 earlier bona ele. Kana ke mantwana ke Ferran Torres. Ona dlala go flanking ya right. That guy is giving. Ona ka na bontsha if you saw his pass the grass cut. Ona ka something there man. Go go fela ne bo pack the pass. If you can see both teams carbonating about 9-10 players, almost all of them. Spain attack a neighbor behind the ball. Spain was almost playing the same pattern. Why? Because of Sebato Piles Sabal. But second half, they tried to attack. It's a token Yamal. Young players are giving something. It's a promise.
Well, what you're saying is something interesting because the same thing game ya Bafana. I think they were afraid because when a player everyone they were hiding themselves.
Yes.
There was something they were hiding themselves for. It's kapasa na bolo. It's kata una. We not check or kita pasa man bolo clean wasted.
It's a cold feet.
So now yeah. So now I think Bafana Hugo Bruce or Mamet, you need to make it.
Yeah,
you need to make sure or as the Mabahambia Vela Saleda Rona Bafana Barna
As of now, Velereme to go Pagadi Peg.
And no,
don't win this game.
Same as Wakang, Kibafana Babanyan, Skakame on Air Spain or Bon or Ki Bafana Babanyan Badala. Rona now, I Bafana Barona, Huter Babamo Benchimba Veil.
You understand? And now happen no, Retoshavali Timilorona, it lost 2-1 on its first game. Libona, they are about to make history. We are winning against this, and then we're going forward.
So now, coach Yarona need to make everything proper.
He better. This is his chance to prove to us where he can. Though how Lale we know, but little players are not on, they must pull up their socks.
True. I can't say good luck. I've said good luck first. Now we'll see where a coach or team if.
Let's see what they have for us.
The starting lineup I think is supposed to be proper.
Sure.
Thank you, Jenny.
All well bafethu, ngicela ni subscribe ni like ni comment. Ngakhohle ukukhuluma le wena feel ngakhona nge-country yethu bafethu. Asi support ni all the way bafethu singabaphelele umoya. Tswe siyabonga sirenga ngediski.
Haya sibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi Afrostani diski adlale diski that's why siringa ngediski yes ya yibonke ngijane laba.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Disky Supreme. Siringa ngediski.